Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn word meanings about classroom materials. Kitabun, book. Kurrasatun, daftarun, notebook. Qalamun, pen. Qalamu rasasin, pencil. Mibratun, barrayatun, sharpener. Mimhatun, mahayatun, eraser. Maktabun, desk. Kursiyun, chair. Miqassun, scissors. Mistaratun, ruler. Maqlamatun, pencil case. Haqibatun, bag. Mimsahatun, duster. Tawilatun, table. Ustadun, muallimun, teacher. Tilmidun, talibun, student. Sabburatun sawda'u, blackboard. Sabburatun bayda'u, whiteboard. Sa'atun, watch. Jadwalun, schedule. Mimsahatun, duster. Tawilatun, table. Babun, door. Nafidatun, window. Mirwahatun, fan. Misbahun, lamp. Jidarun, wall. Alwanun, colors. Hasubun, computer. Mukayifun, AC. Sallatun, basket. Bean. Qalamus sabburati, whiteboard marker.